Welcome to Zero to Pro Training.com. In this video, we will talk about common agile pitfalls. Organizations and teams implementing agile development often face difficulties transitioning from more traditional methods such as waterfall development. These are often termed agile anti-patterns, or more commonly, agile smells. Now we will continue to talk about some common examples. Excessive preparation and planning. Teams may fall into the trap of spending too much time preparing or planning. This is a common trap for teams less familiar with the agile process, where the teams feel obligated to have a complete understanding of all user stories or a detailed design. Teams should leverage the ability for sprints to act as a method discovery and move forward with the information they do know. As more information is gained, it should be applied to the next sprint. Problem solving in the daily stand-up. A daily stand-up should be a focused, timely meeting, where all team members disseminate information. If problem solving occurs, it often can only involve certain team members, and potentially, is not the best use of the entire team's time. If during the daily stand-up, the team starts diving into problem solving, it should be tabled until a sub-team can discuss, usually immediately after the daily Scrum completes. Assigning tasks. One of the intended benefits of agile development is to empower the team to make choices, as they are closest to the problem. If team members are assigned tasks by others or too early in the process, the benefits of localized and timely decision-making can be lost. Another tendency is for assigners to box team members into certain roles, for example, database work, which hinders cross-training. Scrum Master as a contributor. Another common pitfall is for a Scrum Master to act as a contributor. While not prohibited by the Scrum methodology, the Scrum Master needs to ensure they have the capacity to act in the role of Scrum Master first, and not working on tasks for the project. A Scrum Master's role is to facilitate the Scrum process. Facilitating meetings, such as a daily Scrum, sprint planning, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives, is part of this. A technical contributor's role is to work with the other team members, to figure out how to get the work done, and to do it. Lacking test automation. Due to the iterative nature of agile development, multiple rounds of testing for a project are often needed. Having an automated testing framework, which takes care of both system and integration tests, adds a lot of firepower to such a team. It not only acts as a safety net against regressions caused by new development, but more importantly frees up a lot of precious developer and tester time, allowing them to focus on the things they do best. Allowing technical debt to build up. Focusing on delivering new functionality may result in increased technical debt. The team must allow themselves time for defect remediation and refactoring. Technical debt hinders planning abilities by increasing the amount of unscheduled work, as production defects distract the team from further project progress. Over time, the lack of constant maintenance causes increasing defects and development costs. Attempting to take on too much in a sprint. A possible issue is that the team being is pressured into taking on additional work. An important point to note here is that it's the team that selects how much work they can do in the coming sprint, not the product owner. Fixed time, resources, scope, and quality. Agile development fixes time, quality, and resources in advance, while the scope remains variable. The customer or product owner often pushes for a fixed scope for a sprint. However, teams should be reluctant to commit to locked time, resources, and scope, commonly known as the project management triangle. Efforts to add scope to the fixed time and resources of agile development may result in decreased quality. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit 0toprotraining.com.